Internet Moola. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into TikTok from your MacBook Pro. So let's go ahead and start. Search TikTok. Once you do that, the first thing I have to log out to show you guys. Once you do that, click login and then click use QR code. So what you're gonna do now, scan this QR code with your phone, the one that has TikTok account. So I'm gonna scan the QR code like this, and it will sign in automatically to my account. I just need to click connect. So click login in your phone and you're gonna be able to sign in with no issues. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.